This tat just had a breakthrough. See what we did there. The top 2 things you miss about childhood. No more Mr. Nice Turtle. Mikey becomes a spokesman for steroid use. This tats even got that weird floating brain dude. Leonardo has never used steroids. Ever. This Cowabunga calf is as rad as they come. Leo gets featured in a celebrities who have not aged well article. Mikey is ready for his close-up. Forget the half shell. This tat is full throttle. Brooding Raphael will make you introspective. This full-sleeve turtle tat is one big blend of radical.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.